How to create quiz in Instagram stories. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you have logged into your account. After that, press on your story at the top. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply select the photo. After you've selected photo, press on stickers at the top. After that, in stickers, you will find poll. Click on poll. After you've clicked on poll at the top, simply add your question and answers at the bottom. After you're done, press on done at the top right corner of your screen. Then simply press on your story at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to create quiz in Instagram stories. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.